taking my time, no stopping. Rhythm on rhythm, flows on flows, light on me.
Hello everyone, my name is Naija and I'm here for the Sound Hunt with our talent show. So
My name is Vince Otis.
we're looking for more talent, we're looking for good expression from young ones who are here to showcase themselves and for them to come out. So I'm hoping to three my expression of this contestant.
Something out of the ordinary and new.
Audition was.
I've done better, but I actually didn't. I was scared.
Let the one know that you can sing.
Hey friends, my name is Moss and I'm one of the judges for the Sound Hunt. If you've got a voice that deserves to be heard, this is your moment.
At least 2 hours.
So come and sing, come and sing, come and sing. You got the sound, show everybody around. Let it shine.
There is up to 500,000 worth of prizes waiting, studio time, music promotion and more.
Rally and advertisement if you make it for
Bye.